Let's start with an inspirational soul who wakes each morning determined to be of service to our planet by being of service to our children.
Educating children is really very important because they are the future generation.
Educationist, naturalist, motivational speaker. She rented 4 small classrooms to start the Rishi Valmiki Eco School.
All the students who come to school are from weaker socio-economic strata of the society.
Parents who choose to move their kids to more conventional schools clamored to return. Wildlife modules and forest walks are central to her school's academic syllabus. She teaches by telling engaging stories, saying, "I want thinkers, not clones." She believes that nature experiences instill a sense of belonging and balance in young minds. Academics comes naturally to her wards. She wants to leave better children for our planet, not just a better planet for our children.
I would like to tell each one of you, if you want to bring a change in the society, you have to take one step forward. Every person has the ability to make a difference.
Sanctuary's Green Teacher of the Year 2018 is Nikita Pimple.
May I please call upon Usha Thorat, Vice President of the Bombay Natural History Society, former Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank, and board member of the Sanctuary Nature Foundation to present the award. Ladies and gentlemen, Sanctuary's Green Teacher for the year 2018 is Nikita Pimple. Thank you so much, Usha. Nikita, please share your mission with us.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I want to congratulate all the awardees. You all are an inspiration for the society. I want to thank Sanctuary Nature Foundation for honoring me with this prestigious Green Teacher Award. It will open many new doors of opportunities for my children. Such great recognition is really, really very encouraging. All the children who are studying in the school are from marginalized group. And for them to meeting daily needs is also a challenge. For them, environment is not at all at the priority list. But here we are trying our best to bring them close to nature, connect with nature. And for this, we are taking a lot of efforts, and it's not my alone I am doing it, and there are a lot of people who are supporting me for the cause. When my student called me from the native place saying that, "Ma'am, please readmit me in the school, or at least send me or courier me some Sanctuary magazines," I feel we are on the right path. When my student come from the native place after the summer vacation and then tell me they're more excited to share about the birds they spotted than meeting their relatives. Sorry, but I feel I'm on a right path. And also, I would like to give you one more example, that when I get a complaint like saying from the parents saying that, "What have you done to my child? He's picking up all the garbage and throwing it in the dustbin at home," I feel we all are on right path. Thank you. As I said, this is not alone I have done it. There are a lot of people, kind people, who are supporting me. I believe that if you do some genuine work, some good work, then all the people in the world who are kind, genuine, they come, meet you, and they support you. First, I want to thank my team of 35 teachers who are equally dedicated for the cause. Thank you, team. If you're here, thank you. Second is my students. I will like to thank my students. They are my source of energy. Then my best friend, Saurabh Sawant. Thank you. Saurabh, I cannot thank you enough for all the support you have provided me. Prachi, thanks a lot for always being there. Neeta and all my friend list is really long, longer than Facebook, I feel. I want to thank my teacher, Parvish Pandya sir. Thanks a lot for inspiring so many of us. Thank you, sir. I want to thank Anand Pendarkar, who has working with the school for last 2 years, supporting the cause, and he has given a lot of opportunities to our children. I'm sorry, but I'm going to do a little cheating. I'm thankful to all the naturalists and educators who are present over here. You have been associated with the school for a longer time, and I'm sure you will be visiting the school again and again and educating my children. I'm thankful to all the donors. Without their support, nothing is possible. Thank you for believing us and supporting the school. And last but very, very important people in my life, I will like to go ahead with this. That Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam has mentioned that everybody has come on this planet for some reason. You have to find that reason. Fire is within you and you have to give wings. I'm so happy that I have found the reason of my existence. And then whole and sole credit of it goes to my parents. Mummy, Papa, thank you so much for all the support. They have taught me to give everything, keep on helping people without any expectation, and God will take care of you. And I'm experiencing that. इतक्या चांगल्या संस्कारांसाठी आई पप्पा thank you so much. Tanmay, Aditi, Rohan, my entire family, thank you for standing by me. And last but very important person in my life, my son, Krishiv. At this young age, he has realized the cause I'm working for and supporting me by being independent. Thanks, Krishiv. You're the best gift I have got in life. Thank you. And my bachas, thank you again. I'm always there for you. I will be always there for you whenever you want me. Sanctuary Nature Foundation team, I'm thankful again. Gaurav, Valmi, Preeti ma'am, Amandeep, thanks a lot. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much.